It's a song of my last album. And, last, if you don't include the instrumental album. Second last. Things take time, take time.
Yeah!
Thank you. And it's one of my favorite songs on the album, so I thought I'd sing it for you. Even if maybe you don't know it, maybe you do, I'm not sure, but it means a lot to me. It's about friendship and friendship when someone else is far away. And I don't know, I've never explained it, so that was it. I don't normally explain my songs, so there you go. But thank you so much for being here tonight, and it's been really special, and I like you a lot. I like you a lot. I'll see you next time. I should say as well that on the album I play drums and Stella played the piano, and it's about half the speed of this. But this is the way that I wrote the song when I made a little demo of it one day. So that's the version that you're getting. And it kind of sounds like I'm doing spoken word. Oh, the night goes so slowly. Anytime I get low, and I don't really need reminding. I know it's only in my mind. And you say that showbiz, baby, nothing ever stays the same. But I'm the same kid, always laughing at your jokes the same old way. Sorry that I've been slow, you know it takes a little time for me to show how I really feel. Won't you meet me somewhere in the middle on our own time zone? And the days seem so familiar, like a film you never seen. Yet you still get that same nostalgia in the sentimental scenes. Sorry that I've been slow, you know it takes a little time for me to show how I really feel.